Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.